How about adding luxury to your bathroom simply by using a modern designed shower head? Enjoy an Aroma spa and sweet mist shower in your home at any time with the Aroma Sense luxury shower head. The Aroma Sense shower head, which acquired several patents worldwide, has high pressure effects using a fine water spray plate. It saves 36,000 liters of water per year and emits negative ions, 421,000 pCs per cc. This is 4 times greater than those emitted around the Niagara waterfall, which only emits 100,000. Moreover, its performance enhances the complete removal of residual chlorine in tap water by 98%. It also removes fine rust, impurities, and is highly effective in preventing germs. Additionally, the vitamin C and aroma fragrances released from the filter helps your skin and hair appear and feel younger, fairer, and softer. We guarantee you will feel refreshed and relaxed. As seen on the screen, the product consists of a water cap, water spray plate, microfabric filter, antibacterial ceramic ball, and a vitamin C aroma filter. This is the stainless steel water plate with very fine holes. It has acquired an international patent. The triangular or polygonal shaped holes deliver more than 6 to 10 times greater amount of negative ions than those of the round-shaped holes. The Leonard effect theoretically involves large amounts of negative ions which are generated around waterfalls. It is applied and maximized for the formation of negative ions. Also, the fine holes of the water spray plate, which is manufactured using a photo etching method of the stainless steel plate. This generates a high water pressure effect that is 2 to 5 times greater than that of an ordinary shower head. There are also huge water saving effects of 20 to 30%. A distinct microfabric filter is another feature of the Aroma Sense shower head. The microfabric filter removes fine rust and impurities which arise from worn pipes or polluted water tanks. Plus, it is simply assembled and disassembled, which makes your cleaning easy, frequent, and hygienic, unlike other ordinary shower heads which are difficult to open and clean. You'll be worry-free from clogged water holes due to lime buildup. The fine holes and high water pressure of the Aroma Sense shower head creates lime-free residue in water. You can always keep it fresh with an easy way of cleaning inside the shower head. The antibacterial ceramic ball is semi-permanent by heating inorganic bactericides at a high temperature. It is porous like a dense spider web, which not only has absorptive powers and deodorizing effects, but also boosts the body's metabolism and activates cells by emitting far infrared radiation. The vitamin C aroma filter is the most innovative and important feature of the Aroma Sense shower head. It is the first of its technology worldwide. This product perfectly eliminates residual chlorine in tap water through instant reduction using vitamin C. High enriched vitamin C, equivalent to 3,000 lemons, is delivered to all parts of the body through the water. This increases firmness of the skin while you enjoy aromatherapy effects. Moreover, it is a gel type, which is hard to melt in water. giving it a longer lifetime, unlike the powder-type filters. The Aroma Scent showerhead, created from state-of-the-art technology, allows you to enjoy your shower time and relieve your stress with its strong and fine water stream and aromatherapy effects. The Aroma Scent showerhead has a variety of types: AS1, AS201, AS501, AS9000, AS701, AS Premium, Aerofix 01, Aerofix 02, which are classified by the size of the showerhead. You can choose a suitable size for your home. As you can see, its installation is simple and hassle-free. Also, the filter change is more than easy. One filter lasts for 6,000 liters, so it is recommended that you only need to change the filter every 2 months. Enjoy the ultimate showering experience with the Aromatic Spa showerhead. Appreciate the benefits of vitamin C, chlorine-free water, negative ions, all while you save water. Fill your days with invigorating, rejuvenating showers.